We back in the kitchen cooking some cheesy beef macaroni. Go ahead and put about a tablespoon of butter in the pot. We're going to brown some vegetables, some veggies. Go ahead and stir that around. Now, as far as the veggies, we're going to use some red and green bell peppers and some onions. Got that all nice and diced. Just going to saute it just for a minute. Just for a minute. And I'm going to use 2 pounds of ground beef. That's 2 pounds of ground beef. Go ahead and get that all mashed in. Now, after we brown that beef, we make sure we dump all that oil off. And we're going to add some fresh garlic. Using about 4 cloves of garlic. Now you want to make sure you got that oven preheating at 360, 365. Go ahead and mix that all in. Now I'm adding some black pepper. Get that in there. With some Italian seasonings. Some salt. And some paprika. Mix that all in. Now once you get that all mixed in, we're going to add a can of tomato sauce. I'm making this here like I would make my lasagna. I'm adding one of my favorite spaghetti sauces. Get that all mixed in. Stir that all together. Can't go wrong. But the thing is, you got to add a little sugar. Not too much. It's not going to be sweet. It is not going to be sweet. Put that lid on, let that simmer. Now here, you just follow the directions on the box of elbow macaroni noodles. The key is to stir it while you're cooking it. That way it won't stick. Now I put a little sauce at the bottom of this glass dish and I dump that macaroni in there. Like I said, I make it like I make lasagna. Got 1 egg and I stir that all up. Oven preheating at 360. I'm going to add about a cup of milk. And I'm using whole milk, by the way. I had 2-3 bags, quarter bags of cheese that I had to get rid of. So I went ahead and dumped that in there and stirred that all around. Get that all mixed in. Now it's time to add that meat sauce. Look at them colors. Get all that out of there. Now I'm using a whole bag of mozzarella. And if that's not mozzarella, it's a mixture of mozzarella with Italian cheeses. Get that all stirred in, mixed all together. And like the title say, cheesy. Add some more cheese. Stir that all in. Now with that final layer, we're going to dump that whole bag of Parmesan cheese. Yes, we're using shredded cheese out the bag, but we're making this quick and easy. Now it's time to put it in the oven. I'm going to put that in the oven at 360, 365. Do not cover it up. For 30 minutes. She done. She done. Or you can say he done. Cheesy beef macaroni. Let it sit before you get up in there. It won't fall apart. Look how that is. It looked like a slice of lasagna. Sprinkle a little parsley flakes for presentation. Subscribe if you like what you see.